abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini
Siyalamukela enkundleni exclusive esiyiphathelwe yi-Deb3 Events. I'm always saying ukuthi it's your partner in events planning and management. Guys, welcome to enkundleni exclusive. Bizo lami nguNontu Duzoncube, ngihamba lo General Leslie. Now, before we start, I just want to brief you about Deb3 Events, about what it does, and how you can be a partner with Deb3 Events. Guys, if you're planning an event, whatever type of event, be it a social event, a corporate event, church event, lobola, family, Deb3 iyakwanisa ukuthi ikuphathiseke sound system, stage higher, sound engineering, LED screens, ama special effects, guys. If you need ama sparklers, and smoke machines, Deb3 ilakho konke khona lokho. And also labana abathi bona bangama musicians, performers, sikhona ke istudio khona lapha Deb3, khona rehearsal space, photography and videography, guys. Kukhona futhi if you need a photo shoot, kathesi siya ku December and sizabona ama Christmas, ama family photo shoots, kulama events, imchado. If you guys need photography and videography services, just get in touch with Deb3 Events. Lekele ukushutana ngamafoni. Lekele ukushutana ngamafoni.
Mina nila phone.
Bakhona abanye sibabone sebeshuta ngamafoni. Guys, kunama special moments afuna proper quality, and we're always saying it on social media, it's always those poor quality videos you are trender,
when you have this card, so
at least trender quality.
all right, trend on your quality, and if you want to trend with quality, make sure you visit Ogotle Designs for your best designs in terms of cap printing, t-shirt printing, for your Lobola days, posters for conferences. And this is Thanksgiving, our church, you need a banner, you need a poster, you need marketing for your business. It's a restaurant and you want to rebrand, Fagama brand Amacha. Ogotle Designs is always there to provide you the best, the quality. Bagithi ayikwenza into okuthiwa blurry. So they are available and number akhona la kulokuyimpuka lokudlalela ndakubetha
Ukusiphambanisa.
Ndawuchaya. Right. Special thanks to abangani bethu from abroad, abroad. Andongavela ucross i-toll gate ka3 abroad.
So abroad.
Abangani bethu from abroad. But congratulations, General Leslie, and Deb3 Events, specifically enkundleni exclusive podcast for your nominations. Kodwa namuhla very kumnandi, so
Chaya mashampopo.
Laba into ngithengisele lokuzanele packet lele. Ngithengisele. Ngibela u2.
Behave. Ungathabi kakhulu ngabona ukudla.
All right. Yeah.
Behave.
So special thanks. I'm a gift bakithi siyathatha. Siyathatha awaqhubeke buya, whether a ship, aeroplane, whatever. We are so grateful. Lapha sifaka okunye, but well, there is more. Gifts are coming from our friends, our viewers, our followers, and they're saying, guys, congratulations for this great work. So, Lamaiko Kesha Sevens, black card, visa card, lamming engine, so thank you so much, guys, for supporting us. You keep us going. So, Bongano, it's cute.
Okay, kubongeka kuhle ngesintu, but thank you so much, guys. Sibonge kakhulu our anonymous sponsors, and we really appreciate and we feel encouraged nxa sibona izinto ezinje. So, and also what also encourages us, is you guys watching and commenting and sharing.
Yeah.
You know, ngali lati. It's also a gift to us.
Yeah, it's
you
a
know,
big one.
and
It's a big one, actually.
Because it's not easy ukuthi umuntu ayekela kwenzayo and sit down and start watching the podcast. But it shows us ukuthi lathi we're doing a good job, we're doing a good work, and this also shows ukuthi hayi sisebenza kuhle and we are being appreciated for what we are doing. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much. Sibonge kakhulu mina lo Leslie personally sibonge kakhulu i-Deb3 Events for putting this opportunity for us and for you guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Siyabonga.
Esikutshoyo ukuthi if you don't do this, guys, at least mina ngisafe mbicha. But no lizambona ngeuniform yechurch. No.
Woo! Kaze kahle kubuchapha.
Chaya helicopter.
So guys, when we started, I was talking about poor quality videos. There's a video that we saw, it was trending and it trended. It's
Still trending.
It's still trending, and I'm thinking
Number
by
one
the time episode lay it broadcast one, it will still be trending.
No, it's going to be trendful. Butwana ngazokutrenda kakhulu.
Abazalwane guys babhodile ngemva bayazinceda khanya inkanuko zomzimba bese zibakhulela bayazinceda, and it's been trending like no man's business. And mina, what I said when I saw that video was this should be a lesson, especially to men.
All right, khuluma.
Ukuthi guys, i-dressing ayilani lokuthi umuntu uziphatha njani. Nanyani ugqoke i-uniform ye-church
Epheleleyo.
evale amadolo wavala akulahlombe phandle, but we saw what we saw. And people always assume ukuthi if you're wearing a short skirt or something a bit revealing, kahle we are nigga vele all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But mina, what's more interesting, I think lapha mfuna sibilunjele truthfully. Do you realize ukuthi ngabantu abangu-2 abayenza isenzo sabo, but umama is trending more than
Yes.
ubaba?
Yes.
Indaba.
I think this thing is actually deeper and broader than it looks.
Yeah.
Kuqalisa entweni yokuthi uyakuzwe umuntu ongubaba esithi after having sex with a woman umzothi ngimdlile ngimrobhile ngimtheni, and I think behavior le kuqalisa ekuthini people always assume ukuthi you know, by having sex with a man we are doing them a favor. They never look at it in a way ukuthi lami ngiyayifuna yabo, and nxa siyenza we are both enjoying it. It's not like nguwe wedwa, you know. So khonokhiyana nje angazi ukuthi kwavela ngapi. I don't know ukuthi kwavela ngapi. That's why I said it's deeper and it's broader than it looks. And so like nxa sihamba lapha sithi ngimrobhile usengishema yena ukuthi ungirobhile, but nxa lami lapha ngihamba khona ngihamba sithi hey hawu gayilona nze ngamthola. You get it? And it happens.
Yeah, true.
Women, you find them talking to ngaze ngamthola umemba lo uvele wayengani ngalandaba lampa nze ngamthola, but yena ngalo behambe sithi yena ukurobhile.
Yeah.
So I think is shaming lena ibuya khona apha ekuthini people always think ukuthi a woman is losing something.
Mina, true story. I was Bengiloki workshop nyana ekas, and mainly it was ladies, and we're discussing topics that have to do with relationships. Sagcina sifika ku point yokuthi 80% of amankazana belaphana bebesithi umfana umela niki inkazana i-boyfriend allowance. Good, no problem. I have no problem with that. My question was, so wena umnikani? And I realized ukuthi amankazana babona ngathi umfana kumele angenzele izinto because mina nyamnqunulela. Kuphela, like that's what they bring to the table. So ngabe unike enye reason ukuthi akumele nike boyfriend allowance because of this, because bebengela any other reason and akade beyilethe.
Another issue Gayan, another issue vele I society esikhulele kiyo le ndlela esikhuliswe ngayo konkani ukuthi vele kahle kahle we were raised in a way ukuthi men are providers, and like it or not ikhona futhi iperception yokuthi umama vele na ngokwakhe kumele abe umuntu osuthisa ubaba umsebenzi wakhe.
Yeah, I have no problem.
So i-mindset yena liyana, it's something that has been happening for centuries and centuries and centuries. The problem that we have is when we want to eradicate that instantly. Trust me, it will take years and years and years
Vela kusuze kuphele because leBhayibhelini kunjalo.
For people to accept ukuthi sex is mutual. And it benefits both people unless nxa kukhona likuvumelene ukuthi it's a thing of convenience. But the moment we accept ukuthi no, both parties can enjoy it the same way. And then that's when we accept ukuthi
into ebenzama ukuyibonisa abana wami. No, into ebengizama ukuyibonisa abana wami yokuthi sometimes we as positiona wena ku position of a victim because of ukwehluleka ukusebenza or something. And for example, nxa mina sibili sengikwazi ukuthi mina sengonika i-boyfriend allowance and kulezi izinto engingakwenzisa zona ungafuni.
But now, can I ask you something? With women, there's no winning. Ngoba ungaba nguwe ophiwa i-boyfriend allowance and then it's transactional. You give sex, you get boyfriend allowance. You're ashamed. Ungaba nguwe onika i-girlfriend allowance. You're ashamed futhi. There is no winning. Khathesi usislow into leyi uyenze lo member. Bavumelene bakholisa bonke bayenza bakwenzayo bonke. But she's the one being shamed.
And abachaka kakhulu ngomama.
Uyabo?
Abamchaka kakhulu sisilwa.
No, into khona.
Thina nje amajenzo yazothi sithini? Abchitalo is coco. Serious abchitalo. So uthe wethi lapha ngithi cha.
Mina I'm just hoping ukuthi njengamajita lifundile ukuthi i-dressing ayilani le behavior.
No, that I understand.
Dressing ayilani lokunikana komuntu.
That I understand. Mina into engihlala ngikhala ngayo every time no ukuthi I think umntana wami inkazana kumele angafundiswa yimi because mina I think anilawa amazwi right. But wena mntana wami inkazana ngocina usule problem ukudlula umntana wami ngumfana. Because aniyakutshela like true ungakhangela even ama comments umjita bambhiga so amjita lo le strategy lo amjita lo
you find
usisilwana
you find ukuthi promiscuous behavior emadodeni vele iyabukwa and then ekubo mama iyathuwa yabo. So into ekhona I society esiphila kiyo, but then we also have to realize ukuthi when it comes to promiscuity i-STI ayila uthi mfazi ayila uthi ndoda. Ayila. So
aranti sakufa vele. Eventually. No, but
into ekhona mina usislow I just hope ukuthi uyaba le thick skin,
which is going to be difficult though because all right ngabe maybe kushutwe i-footage mina ngisoze ngimzwele sislo ngabe kushutwe i-footage ese-lodge maybe bevalelena kutshengisa ukuthi labo bacatshile lami ngabe ngiyajinga uthi madoda lapha phela ungakhangela ifoni leyana itshengisa ukuthi ngabantu akade besemoteni like i-window so and then but so liphandle like esitol car park
ayilastanga 3 minutes liyana
very 64 seconds 64
that was a quick one. How can you go and book a hotel for 64 seconds?
But pay result is 64 seconds lana isukunika i-trend i-trend ende hayi alapha kusegcekeni kakhulu oh maybe ngabe babathole toilet
Kanti sisenzisaba lokugqoka uniform yami ukuya kolwesine guys.
hayi very high then khela manje ukuthi siyabe sithethiswa njani like you're saying ukuthi bobaba ukugqoka kubomama nje I think mina also to those guys that angazi ukuthi baphila ngapi abathi umfazi wami kagqoki lokho umfazi wami kagqoki lokho anti umfazi webhawa ngimfundi thina bra ocheribet esabathole ebhawa vesihlala vesishaya i-man marking so ngiyabe manage white because ngiyakwazi ukuthi lo ngamthole seyiqalo what then wena manje yabo umthole so egidi sihlabelele labo two minutes lezane zokuthi baba wethu osezulwini besefika ku-amen la uthi amen seqedile sephenduka ngengubo zakhe eziqatha yo then i-church now
What will the church say?
i-church abomama labana sibili abeqiniso sibili but even lingaze limsenje it's like ukuthi mbuye ku-podcast ntakiwe then nxa siqayisa i-podcast ndiyabe live so ku-Facebook so ngiqayisa njala
Damage is done.
ngwisa izinto
The damage is
akuriveseki okuyinto lokhuya
Yes.
akuriveseki okuyinto lokhuyana asibeni careful bakithi ngiyakwazi ukuthi kuyaqanda izulu seliqayisa ufefeza but asibeni careful I think recently
And where's Uchin? I'm now thinking of it. Ama relationship signs are so. They don't usually even end in marriage.
no lokhana phela asikho kwe-marriage lokhuya
Ngoba even ama in-laws.
no but lokhana singakufaka yini kucategory ye-relationship
Relationship.
lana yiyo-hit and run yesihonqweni lana sibili ukuthi
I-relationship. Abantu labana bazwanana, bazwisisene, banikana. I-relationship kanti ufuna relationship enjani?
kunzima mntu
That's a relationship.
phandle isibindi sakhona
You know,
but abantu laba
guys,
bebengaqali labantu
Guys, xa khulunywa ama-relationships kuthiwa be spontaneous, do this. Umuntu sesiba spontaneous iselisola futhi ukuthi phansi.
ispontane yakhona lani isuke yabankulu kakhulu baspontane kakhulu phela ba
Anyway, guys, I hope and I know ukuthi some of you saw the video.
thina soze siyifake
Sizwe ukuthi
asoze
sizwe ukuthi lithini kuma-comments khona lapho abanye bebesithi ushutelweni, abanye bebesithi indaba yokuba spontaneous and this guy is spontaneous.
no but sometimes siyathanda uku-abuser I agree there are times esisebenzisa khona amafoni ethu wrong endaweni ezi-wrong ani but ngiyakupicture ukuthi kuyimi ngihlezi so emoteni mbone angiyikhiphi ifoni ma usithi awuyikhiphi ifoni ibhamsizana iyikhiphi ifoni
Uyayikhipha ifoni and then which also makes me ask uyayiposta ipage likabani?
ngelama ngeke kanti mna
So you have a ghost page?
yeah?
You have a ghost account?
No, I don't.
So uyayiposta uyayidistributha njani?
I will find a cause.
Because umuntu opostile phela kulabanye abantu abangayisabiyo and people have got nothing to lose. People
Yes,
will share
yes,
anything
yes,
or everything on their
And abanye like they're so hungry for views and
le
Lama
mali
likes,
leyabuyayo
so
content
mina if some guys even khona kobulawayo sibulabolanga angakuposta lokana sibili for views akuposta vele
so when uthi uzashuta uza kusanga
anyabe ngisabona la mina ngithanda imali mina nyaba blackmail labo guys in le video
isn't that illegal? You can go to jail for that.
but nxa sembanjiwe phela but andi angikabanje kayi laba le video
Uyayenza njalo with someone who've got nothing to lose athi post. What are you going to do?
post
Sisiye emapholiseni anti uyabele evidence yokuthi blackmailile.
angikhulume efonini no anti ngihamba v1 ngifike ngithi
wena.
listen Louis Strawberry ngithi ngilayo ividiyo
Okay, moving on. Usisilwano we-fight lana. Sakhuluma ngayo last week, isn't it?
oyesilwa
Oyesilwa, yeah. Guys, she's now a content creator. She has a Facebook page. How many followers?
khathesi so siku podcast ile 106,000
106,000 followers. I have mixed views about it though.
Should.
Umntwana lwana was going through bullying and I think support akade idinga ngabo counseling lani and it started very well ekuthini ubesedingelwa sanitary wear ama resources wesikolo and stuff like that and because we're talking of a child. That's a child. And then the next thing, we've got content creators, celebrities. I think they are using her.
It's the way it is, really.
It's the way it is.
Yeah.
But ebadaleni phela. Why are we using kids now?
Hayi usemdala lo.
What do you
Usemdala.
mean, Semdala?
Ivideo lena ngiyakudala la. Esayibonayo. Ngika 2022 wena.
Wasn't that corrected? Kwathiwa hayi ngumntwana.
Hayi, she's around 19. Yeah. She's around 19.
Okay.
Even lwana alwa laye ngike ngabona sebefakwe bonke sibili. Hayi. Ungamkhangela nje laye hayi auntie.
Anyway.
Yeah, but well, that was a point.
Besides, besides ukuthi still at 19 sesengumntwana umuntu lo. I feel considering le background yakhe ukuthi umuntu ozivelele ekhaya and stuff like that. I think we need to learn ukuthi I don't know how to put it. I think it's too much for her. Ekuthini kwenzakala fast ngesikhathi esifitshane. It's not even gradual. And I'm thinking ukuthi ngeke ngabona enye ipost kumbe kusechickenini kumbe kungaphi kudliwa kusenzwani and this comedian content creator I think she's being used.
Yeah.
Maybe consentile, but let's not forget ukuthi umuntu can consent. It's not informed consent.
Yeah.
It's consent, but it's not informed
kakwazi
consent.
lo wenzani phela uvele ekhaya sis.
Yeah. So we don't really know what's going on, but it doesn't look like informed consent to me.
Mina vela abantu be social media ngiyabathanda but abaningi bakhona nisabathandi because so ukubola okuningi sokuqaliswa ngabantu okumele ukuthi ngabe baspreada izinto ezisharp ku social media and umuntu angaba le 15,000 likes ku post A1 akakhangeli iimpact ye post yena ukhaya uthi le 15,000 likes abesebona ngathi uyi-influencer
Le mali, yes.
ngiposte ivideo ku TikTok yami where I was talking about rehearsal for awards and one clown says sure sibili and le influence ngiyabona le 40 likes and I'm like bra ngiyagcwalisa itheater mina into wena ongasoze uyenza uzuyekufa uzuyekufa uyabonga kwenzako so umuntu angabale ubona ngathi use acceptwe ngumhlaba of which kulama ghost amaningi alayikileyo labanye angabaziyo lamanye ethengiweyo singakubalekela khona okani lamanye futhi adulasileyo because if we are to go back kuma page especially abantu bakobulawa siqasa ukwa survey 11 besebenzisa abo talent ukuboost ama page ethu just like they are doing with umntwana lwana uBybeat and so akule awusebenzanga bra you haven't done anything ukuthi ungathi mina ngispan enzima for example ipage yena le umntwana akakwazi izinto lezi zama page so ngomunye umuntu lapha use happy ukuthi mina le 106k followers parona nguba
now I get your point, but looking at the positive side of it.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's a positive side. Guys, amashona supportana guys. Cause kungenze ngakhumbula uSipho as a post lapha ukuthi I need 10,000 to get a car. How many days?
Asifikanga.
Yeah, got how many days?
Yeah, that was too much time.
And looking at this kid, 100 and chakuti.
Yeah.
Ngesikhathi esifitshane. So, like it or not, guys, amashona asupportana.
Tina vela soze supportana. Do you know what
amashona asupportana even kuyidoti.
That's the point. Tina si right singasupportani because Tina song, I think into lena ukuthi kuthiwa City of Kings and Queens and no one wants to be a servant. Everyone wants to be a king and a queen. mina I think caressing ngicase ukuvuleka amehlo and I realized it's okay ku right verse ngasupportani because akulamuntu ofuka uvuma ukuthi lokhu kangikwazi lokhu ngiyakwazi and okumuntu nje uyabe sekwazi ukuthi unobhale kubi ibhuku akazaka abhala even one page encwadi ebhalela igirlfriend but sekwazi amabhuku abhala so mina lo mngane wami ole channel i-channel yokubhala ama jokes so i-channel yakile 15,000 abantu bra it's different bra this is work lokana yokudlala lokha so konkhana ngapha sehlule uzwisisa ungakhangela guys like o Comic Elder lo P Mota and labanye abangani bakhe and kuba lula so ukuthi umniki imoto so Comic Elder because uyabukhangele so ukuthi and then ngapha manje guys nangu phela uSipho la uyachova and abanye abaku social media instead of bayamukela ukuthi iBA si introduce ama awards awu appreciate thina abantu be social media instead of babonge bathi asiyabonga ukuthi lis appreciateile yibo futhi abachingayo yibo bathi liyahlanya lifakelani laba why lingafaka ngathi but ngale I remember last year kumanama and ku comedy kwakulo Mbongeni Ignatius lo Nicho the Slick Pastor lo King Kandor and all these three guys were posting city like kokudlala lokho guys mina yimi ngimdala la so kumele lekele mina ngwini omunye sithi hayi mina yimpela ngingagcwale you know it was fun to watch and ngapha siyalwa ngapha lehlanya because basically mawusilwa lapha uthi bonke laba abafakiweyo abadeserve kudeserve mina lo mngane wami bari icategory entsha. Why don't we just embrace it and say siyabonga bakithi and kulento enje so isiyenzakala. Do you know ukuthi kuke kwaba lesikhathi kunama okwathiwa akula award yama comedians because they felt like there was not enough comedy that year and thina kwasibhowa we started killing shows. Litha kula comedy manje maninzi litshengisa ukuthi kule comedy so mina ngingulwana ochingayo ngabe ngithi so lithi laba abablind kulami manini litshengisa manini litshengisa ukuthi mina ngiyabulala ngento leya then ngiceda ngiembrace ukwezo next year bangakukhipha kuyinto lokho ngoba mina next year andimfuka ukuthatha so ngahle ngocrasha kusekho be
exactly yes
so mbathile mfubona laba abachingayo ukuthi abanominatwanga ku BAA baza nominatwa yini kunama mbathile ba andilapha baqiliwe lapha ngaba bedroom wathona mfubona ngale
baqilwa futhi la kunama
hayi awusoze mkati uyamsenzeni uyamswacha upresident empaba usuzona yonke indawo mbathile endeba bathoda abazambona
something else
yeah.
Something else so into le yokungatsheleki I think it's yokuthi I know everything so angitsheleki. I think it's also happening even with our local authority.
Yes
It's happening with our local authority because you find I think we're talking about some councillor.
Woodville, I've forgotten the name. I ngiyabukela these days ama council debates and not all that. And this guy ngukhansela and mina mbona ngathi isikhalazo zethu thina umele sisikhambise ku council
yes
kwaba buhlungu ukuzwa ukhansela ekhala ukuthi kanti abantu bakhona becounseling ama instruction bawathatha nga and I'll find that video. He was specifically talking about abantu abaletha amabhawuzi amanzi ukuthi mhlawumbe angakhonjwa amanzi aseseyakhona ngala khonje khona and ucancel ukhona ndikumele ukuthi into yecounseling afike esigabeni sami yime sensithi ngapha abantu bayakhala balamanzi ngapha izolo wake yabuya and abalalelwa
because you're representing those people
abalalelwa and he's not the only one to say that. Umabutho also said it. Umabutho weMpophoma councillor weMpophoma abasilalela abantu laba you give them an instruction and I think kuke kwaba futhi lento ezimota ukuthi even imota lezi ze councillor ezama ukummisa umuntu mebesenza into wrong and ucancela zama ukummisa and uyeza umuntu osebenza ecounseling ebuza ucancela ukuthi wena ngoba
wow
it's there if you watch lingabukela I'll try and make an effort, maybe not on this episode, maybe on the next one. Mpombo kufaka videos counselors ekhuluma. So it brings out a question ukuthi kuhamba njani kan lapha?
Yes, what's really
kuhamba
going
njani
on,
laphana? Kuhamba njani kuyini okurongo? Because kulento ebolileyo somewhere laphana and into yakhona ifuna ukuquphula because imigwaqo egejwa ilungiswa.
Yeah.
Yachiwe njalo igejiwe.
Ukuthi igejelwane alright yekelani
Chiyani phela kunjalo. So imigwaqo iyagejwa and kulo mndodo wakwaposta ivideo esithi lihlala lisithi ekhuluma ishona. Lihlala lisithi Bulawayo is the cleanest city. Kelani ama pothole. And Kelani so wayengani like uyambuluza ukuthi and sachinga so ngayahlanya sase sihlala phansi sathi barikelani video umuntu lo vele behamba etown lo.
So the issue emgwaqo kulomgwaqo wemganwini 10 like nxa usuka Plumtree Road. I don't know who is doing that project but bafika balima umgwaqo bawukhipha and bathe bekhiphile bachiya kunjalo. Then kule godi Plumtree Road I think uyamngani susiyafika kubo Bellevue or some sort. Bagebha kompana I don't know what they're fixing. Bagebha bachiya kunjalo.
Yeah.
Ku Godrich lapha masiye phambili. Bagebhile kwangani bafuna ukufaka ama robots bachiya kunjalo. So okay, if you can't do it yekela phela and do it when the resources are there.
Into mina ejayele ukunhlupha kakhulu no. Thank God ngeke ngaba construction. So I can say this and if anyone wants to stone me I'm saying on this one beware because I know what I'm saying. Mina bengisebenzela icompany by then ibinkulu kulama company wonke eZimbabwe in terms of construction. And icompany le ibisungule koBulawayo. Then because imali ngale bagcina besetha up head office ngale but baqhubeka bele office nga. So it means we're doing ama highway and what all right. I-councilor i-contract ama-company asebenza kuhle because bathadula and babefuna ukwenza yonke into according to book. Ungakhangela nxa usithi lamanga khangela ama-company afakwa yi-city council. Ama-grade akhona ahawula, imchina yakhona vele like ukusuka la usefika lapha ekoneni i3 days. And thina umsebenzi sasoyenza ukuthi overnight sayisikwazi sesiphumile la sisiya ku next job. Luveve road luyinso ka resela amagodi. Kares akala 1 year.
Yes.
Akala 1 year wageja inkalakathi yegodi kwafakwa amatshe kwenzwana and seqalise lo.
Same as that road ku ephambi kwe Rose Camp.
Khathesi bekulungiswa lapha. So ngongamakhambani lokana okukhiyayo lokana uthi lakho kusadinga ukuvuka ukuthi ungaze kuthiwe
uzathola ukuthi lamathenda akhona they are dubious indlela
Thank you and khonokho now because awusoze ubone icompany enkulu kuthiwa sibili yethethe tender elebulawayo city council. It's very rare. Yes kuyenzeka but it's very rare. Ayisozivume ukuthi kuthiwa sithela idodi. Bese no lapha kumele ukuthela isamende la. No lapha sokumele kufakwe iasphalt. No lapha kuchibilika amaroli, ithickness kumele yehlukana nje. Bona bafuni konoko. Madoda akube mnyama kuphela siphumi. Yeah, there's something that is wrong and into yakhona ingachiwa. Akulanto yatshintsha kuBulawayo.
Kuzafika ku point of no return.
Yes because besola ama-councilor and but mina nthembo nama-councilor wonke lawana ekhuluma umayor ekhona utown clerk ekhona kungela othi wena council urongo ngahle ngabona ukuthi no so lapha kulento eyazakalayo la erongo la but maybe asifuni ukukhuluma ngayo kumbe siyafuna ukukhuluma ngayo but ngesikhathi sethu angazi. So sesilokho sicanjelwa manga uthiwa hey local governments ayifaki imali hayi kulento ebolileyo ekansilini and into yakhona idinga umuntu nje ongasitshela ukuthi kuyini sibonthi singenzani enxesi ngabathumezela izwitsi balwenza imgwaqo. Because
bafuna motivation.
Bafuna motivation. Enxesi ngabafayela motivation. Noma ngasiluyisela imgwaqweni. No but we just hope since ama councillors ethu eseqalisile ukukhuluma ngakho maybe kuzatshintsha kusuka kuphela kube buhlungu ukuthi umuntu esamkhethayo ukuthi ayesimela la ikala information hey akuzima
Kanjebe be sideline
that's what I'm saying ukuthi ugcina ubona ngathi vote yakho na hayi yadlaliswa sibila akulanto sayenzayo
so it's something else and we're just hoping ukuthi since lathi sesikhulumile ngenxa yokuyivoice kwethu lathi kuzafika khona ngale kuzahlokoza something khona ngale
but mina just want to say for those guys that have started talking about these things ama-councillor lawo seqalisile ukukhuluma ngakho lingadinwa bafethu yikho salivotela lingadinwa because thina sikhatshana enxa lina lingasakhulumanga thina sizoze sibe kwazi okwenzakalayo sizasola lina but if you guys start talking about these things lathi sizaphakamisa amehlo sithi okay so iproblem inga and because imali mina I think i-council yenza imali eningi imali ethithi ayi because parking yabhadalwa every day and imali zana uma ezilungisa imigwaqo leya because siyapaka ngama ungela mgwaqo so imigwaqo now that we have prepared parking and sukume ukuthi imigwaqo ngabe yalungiswa vele every day ngoba imali yani ingena every day sakhipha $4 $7 iyanga
yes nankumbuzo iyangaphi imali ye-TTI anyway guys that brings us to a close of this segment siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi libe lathi please do comment ngiyakwazi ukuthi indaba esizikhulume namhla indaba ezichisayo and ngiyakwazi ukuthi ama-comments esizawabona lapha zikhala yeah so please guys whether okula akuphume konke okusesifubeni ku comment section khona lapho and please also do share and ungakholisi wedwa ushare labanye ukuthi labo babukele phela i-podcast labo bathola information labo bakholise and also please do also subscribe khonapho kule button subscribe to the channel and follow Enkundleni Exclusive follow Deb3 Events across all social media platforms Facebook TikTok Instagram Twitter sikhona sibe khona futhi lathi thina ama hosts Nonduduzo Ncube across all platforms uGeneral laye ukhona General Leslie across all platforms TikTok yakhe ziyabuya make sure you follow him on TikTok make sure you follow him on TikTok so guys sibonge iDeb3 Events your trusted partner guys when it comes to events planning and management when it comes to studio services sound engineering services rehearsal space videography photography just get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contacts on your screen nxa ufuna ama services anala engiwaqambileyo General
yes use the contacts on your screen and thank you siyabonga kakhulu everyone for helping us reach 10,000 followers ku Facebook bakithi thank you so much asisukena asambeni ku 50,000 let's go 50 asambeni and ngiyabonga so thank you for those that have invited people and started following us and siyabonga kakhulu let's invite more people to Deb3 television sikhule sonke siyabuya lama award ngawenu sizalicinela but awena well igama mshana Leslie bengahambi ngedwa benilo Nonduduzo Ncube okwakhathesi sesiyanethwa lizulu bafethu
saye kudla ama chocolate
thina salibona singalikhangela cela usithi
chocolate